Welcome back, this is Imran. First thing to do is open up the images. I've dropped the link of images in the description. I just want to change the yellow color here, and we are going to go like we did before. We are going to use adjustments panel, and we are going to go to hue and saturation. Now the problem though is if I use hue, I just want to change the yellow part of hue. So put it back to 0. I just want to change this part or just yellow. To change it, if I want to make it green, way to go. So the yellow part of hue is now green, which is awesome, but everything else has changed color. It's kind of cool. But it's not what we want. We want to change the yellow. So put it back to 0. Now what you do is, see this thing that says master. It's doing everything what you can do. You can be selective about the colors. So you say, hey master, I want to change the just yellow please. Click on the yellows, start dragging that. Wow, it's affecting just yellow only. Cool, huh? So now you are going to be nice. Like always, it's an adjustment layer. Turn it on and off. Same with this image, I just want to change red. To change it, if I want to make it green, so the red part of image is now green, which is awesome, but everything else has changed color. But it's not what we want. We want to change the red. Now what you do is, so this time you say, I want to change just red please. Click on reds and start dragging that. So now you are going to be nice. I'd like to practice with selective color. Adjust the color you want to change. Have a practice. And I will see you in the next video.